Hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're going to be making us some seasoned rice real quick because I got a dish to make. So the first thing I got here is I got me some white rice, all right? And then I got me some kosher salt. Along with that, a stick of unsalted butter. I'm not going to use the whole stick. And I got some black pepper with some onion powder, some Tone sweet and spicy. Y'all know I love that Tone sweet and spicy. With some parsley flakes and some of this here garlic and onion spice blend. Once again, if you don't know where to get this, all you have to do is go to Ross. Go to Ross and pick you up some, all right? So let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and put this here seasoned rice together. So let's go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we got is 1 cup. We're gonna measure this out. It's 1 cup. I'm only gonna use 2 cups. All right. Then what I'm going to end up doing, for every 1 cup of rice, you want to add 2 cups of water. For every cup of rice, you want to add 2 cups of water. So I'm going to go ahead and add the water right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our kosher salt. We're going to add some of that. I'll leave some measurements for you guys below. Then we're going to take the black pepper. Then we're going to take some of our onion powder. Then we're going to take some Tone seasoning. Then we're going to use some of this here garlic and onion seasoning. And we're going to add some parsley flakes. Then we're going to add at least 2 tablespoons of butter. And I know y'all saying, why are you putting that in a bowl and not a pot? Because I'm putting it in the microwave. So now I just want to go ahead and just mix this. Stir it here a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and go to our microwave. We're gonna set our microwave for 25 minutes. And that's a wrap. We're gonna wait on that. Okay, now we got it out the microwave. This is how it looks once it comes out of the microwave. So what we're gonna do now is just take a fork and we're just gonna fluff it all up. And it smells real good right now. That's all we want to do is just fluff this up. 25 minutes in the microwave and it's ready. And I mean, it is seasoned. This is what I call seasoned rice. And that's all you have to do right there. All right. So, just want to give you a close-up of how it looks. Like you say, it's fluffy and it's seasoned. And I'm gonna have this with some steak, shrimp, and broccoli. All right. So try this recipe and I hope y'all really like it. And it is good, it really is. And I'll be right back and show you the finished product. All right, this is our seasoned rice. We're gonna go ahead and plate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do me a favor, subscribe for more videos. If you want to see how I made that beef and shrimp broccoli recipe, click on the video right here. Also, give this video a thumbs up and like the video and leave a comment below. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.